Hello, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I still remain your classic ZIZARA TV. I must apologize that I have to come a bit late. I am almost 30 minutes late. I must apologize for it, please. Pardon me. Circumstances beyond my control. So today we are going to learn numbers in Igbo language. Numbers in Igbo language. Last week we were able to learn the alphabet in Igbo language. On Saturday last week we learned the alphabet in Igbo language, and on Sunday we will learn some words. We tried to learn some words from from each alphabet. Just like in English language, when you are saying A is for this, B is for this. So we're able to learn what R stands for. The words you can see under R and the words you can see under there. So and we're able to learn that from R to Z. And today we are going to learn the numbers in Igbo language. We'll learn the numbers from 1 to 1,000. There is a way we are going to learn it. Not that we're going to learn 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are learning it like that, we won't be able to live here today. So we'll learn it when we get to 10, and when we get to 20, you'll be able to know how to, to learn the other ones. So we'll learn from 1 to 1,000, and by tomorrow we are going to learn the greetings in Igbo language. Greetings, how you can greet someone in Igbo language. So today we are going to learn the numbers. So we are starting from 1. We are starting from 1. And what is 1? 1 is otu. 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 That is 1. 1. Otu. 1. Otu. 1. Otu. 2 is abụọ. 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 You see how it is? Abụọ. In Igbo language, we have a lot of dialects. Some people call it abua, abua, but the main Igbo is ube. The main Igbo language, the central Igbo language is abua, abua. The next one is 3, which is ato. 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 And the next one is 4, which is ano. 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 The next one is 5, which is ise. 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 The next one is 6, which is isi, 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 isi. It's not isi. This is isi, isi. And we'll have 7, which is asa, asa. Sorry, let me use big words for it. Asa, 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 asa. And we'll have 8, which is asato, 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 asato. Sorry, oh, made a mistake. Asato, 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 asato. 8 is asato, 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 which is 8. Asato. I made a mistake. I was not able to change the it was written isato before. It was wrong. I have to change it. It's asato, asato, asato. Then the next one, which is 9, is which is 9 is itolu, 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 itolu. And we'll have the next one, which is 10. Number 10 is iri, 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 iri. Now, we've been able to learn from 1 to 10, which is otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. So when we now get to from number 11, you will be able to appreciate it. You know that 10 is iri, right? 10 is iri. So now that 10 is iri, when we now get to 11, you will now say iri na otu. You will not start from 1 again. You know, we started from otu. Otu means 1. And this is iri. 10 is iri. Now 11 is 10 added 1. You will now say iri na otu. Iri na otu. 10 and 1, which is 11. So now 11 is like this. 11 is like this. Iri na otu. Iri na otu. Iri na otu. 12. 12 is. Who can tell me what 12 is? Remember, 2 is above. Now, 12 is 10 and 2. That is iri na abụọ. 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 I want it to enter. Iri na abụọ. Iri na abụọ. Iri na abụọ. And then we'll now come to 13. Can someone tell me what 13 is? Can someone tell me what 13 should be? 13 should be what? Iri na atọ. 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 Can someone tell me 14? 14 will simply mean iri na anọ. Iri na anọ. Iri na anọ. Then what will 15 mean? 15 will simply mean what? What is ise? What is 5? Sorry. 5 is what? Iri na ise 15. Because 5 is ise. So since 5 is ise, iri, which is 10, plus 5, 15. That is iri na ise. Then 16 will be what? Iri na isii. Iri na isii. Iri na isii. Iri na isii. Then what is 17? 17 is what? Iri na asaa. Iri na asaa. Iri na asaa. Then what is 18? 18 will simply mean what? Iri na asatọ. Iri na asatọ. Iri na asatọ. Then what will be 19? 19 will mean iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. Then what is almighty 20? What is 20? Can someone tell me what 20 is? What is 20? Can someone tell me what 20 is? 20 will simply mean what? 20 will simply mean iri abụọ. Iri abụọ. That is when you bring 210 together. That is 210. We'll give you 20. And that is why in Igbo it is iri abụọ. That is iri plus iri, making it 2 iri. Iri abụọ. Iri abụọ, 20. Iri abụọ, 20. So numbers in Igbo language is very simple. If you will be able to get from 1 to 10, which is otu to iri, the other ones will be very easy for you. Just like since we've gotten otu to iri, that is otu to 10, from 1 to 10. Now, you know that 10 is iri. Now, when you are saying 11, you now say iri na otu, 12, iri na abụọ, 13, iri na atọ, 14, iri na anọ. Remember, you are going. The only thing you added there is that iri na. Then you now went back to otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. Iri na otu, iri na abụọ. You are going back to from 1 to 10. So now, when you now get to iri na itoolu, you now say iri abụọ. So the same thing will apply to from 20 to 30. From 20 is iri abụọ. So when you now want to say 21, how do you say it? Simply iri abụọ na otu. You've gone back to otu to itoolu. Iri abụọ is 20. So when you now say, when you want to say 21, it's iri abụọ na otu. 22, iri abụọ na abụọ. 23, iri abụọ na atọ. 24, iri abụọ na anọ. 25, iri abụọ na ise. 26, iri abụọ na isii. 27, iri abụọ na asaa. 28, iri abụọ na asatọ. 29, iri abụọ na itoolu, until you get to 30. Until you get to 30. Then 30 means what? Iri atọ. Just like this one is iri abụọ. 30 is iri atọ. Now, when you want to say 31 again, you are going back to otu from 1 to 9. You now say iri atọ na otu. Iri atọ na abụọ. Iri atọ na atọ. Iri atọ na anọ. Iri atọ na ise. Iri atọ na isii. Iri atọ na asaa. Iri atọ na asatọ. Iri atọ na itoolu. Then you now go to 40. After iri atọ na itoolu, you go to 40, which is what? Can someone tell me what it is? Can someone tell me what 40 is? 40 is iri anọ. Just like as it's moving. Abụọ, atọ, anọ. 40 is iri anọ. Then what is 50? 50 will simply means iri. Iri what? Can someone write at the comment section? 40 will simply means what? This is 40 is iri anọ. 50 will simply means iri ise. Iri ise. 50 will simply means iri ise. Sorry. Let me be writing them down. Iri ise. This is iri, irise is 50. Then you now go to irise note. Irise na abụọ, irise na atọ, irise na anọ, irise na ise, irise na isii, irise na asaa, irise na asatọ, irise na itoolu. Then you move to 60, which is iri isii. Iri isii, 60. You go like that again until you get to 70, which is iri asa. Iri asa. Once you've gotten from 1 to 10, there's no need writing it down for you again, because now you've got to, you know what is iri, and iri is 10. Now this is 10, is 10 into 5, which is iri ise. So when we get to a new word, I will write it down for you. So 60 is iri ise. You now continue like iri ise na otu, iri ise na abụọ, iri ise na atọ, like that until you get to 70, which is iri asa. You now continue like that, iri asa na otu, iri asa na abụọ, iri asa na atọ, until you get to iri asatọ, which is 80. Then 90, iri itoolu. 90, iri itoolu. Then until you get to 100. I'll write that one for you. 100 is otu narị. It's 100. Hundred is otu narị. That is 100. Otu narị. Otu narị is 100. 100 is otu narị. Now you now go back again. Otu narị na otu. Otu narị na abụọ. Otu narị na atọ. Otu narị, just like that, until you get to otu narị na itoolu. Otu narị na iri, which is 110. Until you get to otu narị na iri abụọ, 120. Otu narị na iri atọ, 130. Otu narị na iri anọ, 140. Finally, you now get to narị abụọ, which is 200. Narị abụọ, which is 200. Narị abụọ, narị abụọ, narị abụọ. I want it to be the same. Okay, narị abụọ. Let me just give it space. Narị abụọ is 200. You now see narị atọ, which is 300. Narị anọ, which is 400. Narị ise, which is 500. Narị isii, which is 600. Narị asaa, which is 700. Narị asatọ, which is 800. Narị itoolu, which is 900. And then finally, after 900, you see 1000. and 1,000 is what? Otu puku. Otu puku. Otu puku. So, just like that, you now move otu puku notes, otu puku na abụọ, otu puku na atọ, otu puku na anọ, until you get to otu puku na iri abụọ, otu puku na iri atọ, which is 120, 130, otu puku na iri anọ, just like that. Until you get to otu puku na otu narị. Otu puku na otu narị. Since you know that 1,000 is otu puku, otu narị is 100. Otu puku na otu narị is 1,100. Otu puku na narị abụọ, 1,200. Otu puku na narị atọ, 1,300. Just like that. Learning numbers in Igbo language is very simple. It's very simple. Because once you get to 100, 1 to 20, once you get to otu to iri abụọ, which is 1 to 20, the other ones are very easy for you. Will be very, very easy for you. So I wouldn't want this lecture to be too long, because I know that after this lecture, a good number of us will go back and write it down, watch the video again, and then write it down. You'll be able to appreciate it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions. And if there's anywhere you find difficult, try to reach me in the comment section. I will be very, very glad to return your question. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, tomorrow we are going to learn greetings in Igbo language. But before we start tomorrow, I wouldn't give you time, because my time schedule is a bit altered this weekend. So I wouldn't want to give time, and then when I come tomorrow, I'll come late. But definitely within 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Nigerian time, because we are dealing with Nigerian time. I wrote 4:30 Nigerian time, but I was able to come in around 5:30 Nigerian time. So by tomorrow, within 4 to 6, or let's say within 5 to 6 p.m. Nigerian time, I'll be here live. And before we start on the greetings, we'll do a kind of revision on what we did today. We'll do a kind of revision on what we did today. So I would like you to write down for me from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20. Write it at the comment section. From 1 to 20. Then by tomorrow, I would also like to ask some questions. If I ask some questions, I will expect you to answer me, because by the end of this live streaming, I will expect you to go back to the video, take your book and pencil or your book and pen, and write them out gradually. If you have enough time to write them, normally from 1 to 1,000, it will be very, very good, and appreciative. You'll be able to understand it very, very well. So by tomorrow, I would like to get the answers at the comment section from 1 to 20. We'll do a little bit revision on them, and then after which we go into tomorrow's lecture, which is on greetings in Igbo language. So thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for participating. For those that didn't have time to participate, I believe you go back to the video and then go through it. You'll be able to understand it more. Then see you tomorrow by 5 to 6 p.m. Nigerian time on Igbo AMAKA. So bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Bye.